What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel, and welcome back again for another amazing video. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to make a very simple study table or study desk that you can use at the corner of your house to do your work, or you can make one for your kids, that is if they do studies at home, or just use as your office area for your office area. So the first thing that I did was make the frame, that is the base frame, which had some legs, and that is what I'm basically going to be making. Yeah, this was an order that we were given by a customer, and yeah, we did make it as expected, and also we did sell her the immense chair. And then at the end of the video, I'm just going to be showing you other stuff that we normally do make, that is other DIYs or furnitures that we do make for our clients, because we do make custom-made furnitures at our shop, and I'm going to be showing you some clips of the items that we have already made for some of our clients. But for this one, I'm just going to be showing you some clips on how we did make it, so that you can see that these are other DIYs that we normally do. And I know you know me mostly in this channel that I normally do beds transformation videos, and I just wanted to show you other stuff that I normally do, because in this channel we normally do a lot of things, that is DIYs, transformation, makeovers, among others. So you can just visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we have a variety of videos that you can learn, watch and enjoy yourself. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome in our channel. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, so that they can also learn something from us, or also they can give us orders, because we do make these custom-made items for our clients. Our channel is All Things With Us. Yeah, I know you already know, I'm just reminding you. Make sure to watch the video till the end, so that you can see the other clips that I've added at the end of this one, and see the other items that we normally do make at our shop or our channel. During this DIYs, transformation or makeovers, I normally use basic tools. These are the tools that you can just get some for yourself. I normally use a drill, hammer, screw nails. I also do use a jigsaw, a circular saw, and at times I usually use the bigger machines. But for DIYs, you just need these basic ones. You can just find yourself a jigsaw, a drilling gun, a hammer, nails and screw nails. Also you need a handsaw, because some parts you need to use a handsaw, and I think a wood glue, and the rest you just buy them according, like the materials you can just buy them according to what you are making, like the boards, because I normally use 3/4 millimeters boards. I usually use a chipboard or an MDF board depending on what I'm making, and then the rest you just buy them at timber yards. You can find a timber yard around your area and give them your measurements for what you want. Also these MDFs, some do cut them. You can just find someone who is selling them, because some normally cut them for you. So you can just go with your measurements and they cut them, so that you can just go to your shop and do the assembling without you cutting a lot of things. Maybe just for the fitting, but most of the cuttings it will be done for you if you have the accurate measurements for what you are making. Anyway, I hope you enjoy these kind of videos, and I hope you learn one or two. And if you have any question where to get the materials or some measurements, because other items I normally don't give out the measurements, because the measurements that I use are the ones, it depends with what I'm making. And yeah, but what I can answer you, I will just answer you. So just comment down below and I will definitely come back to you. And these are the other items that we normally make, some other orders, ottomans like this one. You can see we did make this one for one of our client. The bench and tables, we make console tables. We also deal with mirrors. I mean, we do a lot of things. You can just also follow us on TikTok, All Things With Us, with that 2 at the end. Also, you can follow us on Instagram at All Things Interior, All Things With Us, and the shop is All Things Interiors. So you can follow us there if you want to see more of our content, or if you want to place an order, or just request my number here and I'll give you my number so that you can reach me. And yeah, these dressing mirrors, you can see the consoles. So I mean, you can just DM me, or you can ask for my number there. See you in my next videos.